What's up, guys? So in today's video, I will teach you how to get free domains plus hosting. First, go to any browser. Now search FreeDomain. Now search domain and click on top results. Now you will see 4 website names. Click on the second one. Now log in here. After login, you will see interface like this. Now here you will see an option named My Domain. Click on that. Now here you can see I already have 2 domains registered, but you can register 3 domains for free. Tap Register New Domain and you will get this much domains. Choose the best which fits for you. Tap Manage Domain option after domain got registered. Now as you can see, the domain exists but not hosted. So now let's see how to host it for free. There are many websites where you can host your website free, but I am choosing Netlify for now because it's beginner friendly. Now go to netlify.com and log in. Now here you will see Upload File option. Tap it and upload your website code. After uploading, wait for a few seconds. Now you can see that website deployed but not using your domain. So for that, go to Domain Management option. Now tap Add Domain and choose Add Domain you already own option. And now here add the domain you own and tap all Verify buttons. After this, tap Options button beside the domain and tap Set up Netlify DNS option. Verify everything. Now here you can see Netlify gave 4 name server DNS. Now copy it in the numerical way and paste in the free domain name server tab. Save it now and wait for a few minutes, and you will see the domain online. Refresh the page. Now as you can see, our website is hosted in our own custom domain, with everything working. Thanks for watching. And join the Discord server link if getting any errors. I gave the link in pinned comment and description. Check it out. And also don't forget to subscribe and big project coming soon.